Lovely people, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine, enjoying your life well. Today we are excited to share with you some cool and easy to make crochet caps designs ideas that are perfect for any season. Hope you like this all the beautiful caps designs and different collections. So please watch this video till end without skip and tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload it next video about your comment. From banyan to serge hat, we will go a range of designs to inspire you. We will got you created. Check out these stylish and different designers that you can customize to fit your style and size. We will show you how to create beautiful textures using yarn and different techniques, plus got tips on how to customize the size, color and embellishment, brim, cuff and pom-pom to fit your perfectionist. And as a bonus, we will give you a snack peek into our upcoming tutorial on how to customize the size, color and beautiful embellishment, and beautiful crochet caps designs ideas easily. You add some more embellishments like crochet work, flowers, caps, decor your cap with the help of pom-pom, tassels and bunches, petals, stones, beads, pearls and many different accessories you use and decor your caps easily. And the best part, you can wear your crochet cap with anything. Pair it with a cozy sweater, a leather jacket or a flory dress for a chic and comfort look. And as a bonus, we will give you a snack peek into our upcoming tutorial on how to customize beautiful crochet caps designs. Thanks for watching this video till end without skip and tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload the next video about your comment. Feel free to experiment with different yarn, color and embellishment to make this project unique and special. And please be share your creativity with us on different social media accounts using hashtag. Check out our next more videos about crochet work and knitting work, like crochet work baby frocks designs, crochet work caps, crochet work ladies bags, ladies dresses and many other ideas about crochet work and knitting work. If you want full DIY tutorial, so please visit my YouTube channel and watch my full DIY tutorial, full detailed videos. Okay viewers, take care of yourselves. See you in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more ideas, more collection, more designs, more inspiration videos. Take care. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.